Okay, let's I will show you how to create entity type. Okay. So before going that, I also tell you that regarding this reference configuration URI, that core or any vertical for L2. So what you need to do based on the every year, actually RELTIO provide their three release. So it will be changed like one, two, three, and that also the year is changed. If it is, let's say if it's 20201, then it will be 123 like that. Into 20202 is 123 maximum three. Let's go to the entity. Okay, entity type section. So using entity type, we actually create a new entity. Let's say I already have a organization entity. This organization entity actually extended the party. So it inherited the party model and also inherited the all attributes of the party model. But it is possible that can anyone can inherit the full attributes, and after that they can reuse it same at number of attributes or delete it possible. Also, no, you can add new attributes also. So I will show you some part that how to create a new attributes using this configuration. So do one thing. I will copy this particular entity and then change the name of the entity, and also I will copy one attributes and change that attributes. Uh, Another part is that entity type is an array. So it's a syntax for the array related to square bracket, and within array multiple entity type is there. It is curly bracket will be part of that. Let's put it as a company. Okay. So see, I have created new entity type that is name is company, and it is inherited from or extended from the party model. So see, it is extended party model, but I have only created one attribute that is known as the company name. And always any attributes or any entity you need to add line here as a comma. So it's a separator, comma separator is there. Any separator is end or end with any value is always comma separator. And other part means URI label is mandatory, and definitely this part also is mandatory. It is also possible I can delete this line. It is indicating that I will not extend anything. I will create a new entity company without inherited any model, and then I can create that. So if I not interested to extend, just delete this line. So this part will be there. In respect of the attributes, this is the common part, and this two is actually mandatory. Then this type also is mandatory. Different type also is there. These four feature actually part of the UI screen. So it is indicating that it will be hide or not, it is important or not, system specific, and searchable means using this company name you are able to search in that particular URI not. This is indicating that attributes ordering means last updated date. Means for particular these attributes, if the value is coming from multiple source system, only last updated value will be displayed. So I will show you same part how I can do it in the UI. So before going to that, I will show you how the inheritance concept comes. So this is the code entity. I already informed that code entity is the few part. One is party, individual, organization, location, and code. So here I am showing the party is two part. One is individual, one is organization. So what I show, I create company that is extended from the party. It is also possible that I already have created on organization. I can extend that also. That also possible. Okay. Go to the UI. So this is the UI that it is under data model. I already informed that it is under data model. The section there is the entity type is that if you click on it, it will be looks like this. If I create a new, let's say I put company display also put same. So this the star mark is mandatory and pattern also you need to mandatory. Here inherited entity types means do you want to inherit something? So say I say party. I can also say that this is already created. If I say company, already I have. I can inherit it from company also. Do you think I can inherit it from individual also? So based on my requirement, I need to be considered. That abstract type entity means if I it is disabled, if I on this particular part will not available in the UI script. So by default it is always on. And there is a option is there. This is not a mandatory. There's second level pattern, business card description. This is not a mandatory. So here two option is there. If you save it or you can save it and add new attributes. So here what we did, we create a company name and add one attributes. So it is asking that do you want to do the same thing or not. So first you can say click it. So it will save without any attributes created. So after that we can create the new attributes. So here I think same type of attributes is already there. That's why it's not coming. Let's do one test. Just put it as a test. and here we directly get the save and continue attributes. So in this way we can create a new attributes as well as the new entity. Okay. So next section we will be discuss more about that other part, that will be talk about, you can say, we talk about attributes type and other part.